Hello guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys here that it's already 2021, and to tell you guys the truth, I still like the Ryze Tello. It's still #1 powerful tool because stuff like this, like for instance, like I'm at the mall and I just want to capture me and my son riding this electric scooter, and I just want to get something that's capturing us. So what do I use for a drone to get myself in trouble, not hurting anybody? It's just something just to have a quick shot, quick video, to something that will follow me really quick, and there it is. So anyway, here you go. This is $1,000. There's actually the racing FPV drone DJI. See here all the Mavics, and you can see here, I mean, can you actually use this indoor? Well, and the price is up there. Look at it. It's like around thousands. And of course, I'm not gonna use all this. So the only thing I have to use is the Ryze Tello, and still worth $150. And it's really 2021, guys. And you guys can go ahead and see.
There you go. And then let's gonna go ahead and track. And here you go. And then you can just have that, and there you go. It's tracking. And then of course I stop it, and then I can just take this off. Okay, come on. And then look, flying a drone in the mall. Can your drone do that? See me flying inside the mall. Look at this, guys. Whoa, whoa. Yay. And land. That's all I need. Quick video. Let me stop tracking and get myself a video. Quick video. So awesome.